Let's create. Masitas de Cerdo. And this is pork, by the way, in chunk. I'm going to cook it. I'm going to prepare this Cuban style, but I'm going to show you my technique, okay? So they're cut in chunks, and what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put them in a container, right? So I have about a teaspoon each of salt, cumin, black pepper, turmeric, garlic, and smoked paprika. And I mix it well, okay? What I'm going to do, I'm going to mix it here. You can put about a teaspoon and a half of each too if you want to. But I'm going to mix it, and I'm going to mix this stuff well, okay? And then I'm going to let it absorb everything for about half hour. You can do it overnight. I have several teeth of garlic. I'm going to chop them, okay? And I'm going to chop them into tiny pieces, okay? Because you're going to need this stuff. Oil, you don't need a lot. Because you're going to recook this in butter later. Because it's going to be a garlic style masitas de puerco. But you want to give them some character. You don't want them to pallid, looking too pale, you know? So that's what I'm doing, this cooking first. And you're going to leave this a couple notches above medium, maybe a notch above medium. And all you're doing is giving them character, okay? About 3 minutes or so, I just flip them around and let them cook for another 2 or 3 minutes, okay? Just giving some character. No high heat, you're not frying, you're just keeping it a notch above medium. Remove the pork. Now I have another, going to heat up another. Another pan. I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit. And about 1/4 of a cup of butter, unsalted butter. And you're going to let it melt. This is what is going to give this recipe the taste with the garlic that I cut. I'm going to have some oregano, dry oregano, some thyme. And I'm going to have some lemon that I squeeze here, okay? So let me preheat this. Melt it. Let me add the lemon. Now I'm going to start adding la masita. Carefully. Even some of the juice come there. You're going to cook these babies, okay? What you're going to do now, you're going to add the garlic, okay? Look at the garlic. So you have garlic powder earlier, and now you have real garlic. And oregano. And mix things up, okay? About 5 minutes later, it's ready. That baby is ready. And this is how it looks inside. Tender and juicy. Huh? Look at that butter. Why not, huh? Why not?